Hey guys, Josh Sexton here again, luxury broker at Pawnee Woods Realty and Listings in Tampa, giving you guys another 3 quick tips, do-it-yourself home improvement tips, whether you're looking to sell or you're just looking to clean up the house for the spring coming up here. Number 1, get this thing decluttered and clean it up. So, simple thing to make the house look great. If you have pets, shampoo your carpets. If you have kids, go, same thing, shampoo the carpets, clean off all your furniture. You can rent a steam cleaner really cheap at Home Depot. I clean my carpets here in my place about every few months just to keep them fresh, keep the place smelling great. Number 2 is do a repaint. So big thing, super cheap to do. You can do it yourself. Go catch a YouTube video like you're watching, maybe watching me right now on YouTube or Instagram. Go grab some paint from Sherwin-Williams and get that thing repainted. Call me if you need a contractor, a contractor account to throw it on. And lastly, but not least, declutter the place. So I know we were talking about cleaning, but also decluttering. So, any clothing that you're not using, any furniture you're not using, either sell it or get rid of it. Get the place looking spick and span, get it prepped for spring, or get it prepped to sell if you guys are thinking about selling this spring. But again, Josh Sexton with Pawnee Woods Realty. Have a good one.